Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to make this little clip, like a little intro for you guys, and I wanted to apologize. I'm really sorry. I haven't posted in a month, and I just wanted to come on here and apologize regarding that. I just graduated, so I kind of just wanted to finish off like all that stuff because it was really hectic for that whole month of June, and just like it's just been really hectic, so that's why I wasn't able to upload. But now it's summertime, you already know more videos are coming through. And also I wanted to give a huge shout out to everyone that commented on my last video. I got up to like a thousand views plus more. And I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching that last video. That was like my first, well, not my first video, because I have like another one uploaded also. But like, I was just like, so I was like, oh my gosh, 1,000? And you're telling me I like, I'm so rude. Like, I'm not coming back to, do something else? Because everyone's like, post another video, like, we love you. And I was just, thank you guys so much if you commented. Thank you. And also thank you to everyone that has been also subscribing. I reached about, I think right now it's at 17 subscribers. That may seem like a low number to a lot of you, but that means so much to me. So I just wanted to say thank you also if you have subscribed to my channel. Also, and if you haven't already, hit that red button down below and subscribe to my channel for more of me, more of you guys, and just more videos and content coming your way soon this summer, I promise. I'm currently editing, and I'm gonna upload this, so this is the video that I'm talking about that you're watching right now. Yes. So yeah, my bed's not made. I think I already mentioned that, but yeah, so I just wanted to say thank you, everyone. Thank you. And oh, didn't even say excuse me, you little nasty. Without further ado, we can just get on back into the YouTube video. Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to be tie-dyeing. Wait, hold up. That was the video. Tie-dyeing. I bought purple because I'm gonna be working on my friend's graduation gifts. So we are tie-dyeing these, oh frick, white long sleeve shirts, and I'm really excited. I'm really hoping this will fit. I have like 11 shirts, so I'm really hoping that will like be able to work for all of it, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna cry. So but anyways, we are going to go to my basement, so let's. Wow, what a transformation. All right guys, we are currently in my basement, so sorry about the background because my basement is unfinished, so that's why it looks like this. But I'm just gonna be showing you guys all the things I have with me. It's really cold down here. So here we have the tie-dye. I'm using RIT. I hope I pronounce it right. I'm using tie-dye, the dye from RIT, and it's in the color purple, obviously. And then here, because they said you need like a rack, didn't have that, but I had this. So we are gonna put it flat and it's just gonna bleed through. And then here I have hangers to hang it up afterwards for it to dry. And then I swear I brought a water bottle. And then here I just have a water bottle that I'm going to be using as like a squirting tube situation because I don't have those. So we are going to be using the good old, I'm not gonna say old-fashioned, but the cheaper way of this, I guess. What the hell? Oh, that's just my trampoline. I was so confused. All right, but it's pretty much what I have to go do is I'm gonna go grab some hot boiling water and I'm gonna fill it up to about there and then pour some of the dye in. So yeah, really excited. My family's in the background, but I am going to fill this up with hot water. I already did for this one and filled it up to there. I'll probably spill some more if I need to, but yeah. Okay, last one. Right now I'm just puncturing holes inside the top of the cup. Alright, so we have our water bottles and we are gonna go downstairs. So let's go back. Okay, so we just grabbed our hot water. Let me remove that. So we just grabbed our hot water. So pretty much why I have two is because I'm gonna use this one for like the front of the shirt and then this one for the back of the shirt. I don't know, bro. I just okay, so let's just fill them up, I guess. By the way, I filled these up with hot boiling water from the stove. They said you gotta shake this a bit, so okay, and then we're gonna pour it inside. Ooh, I don't know how much, but I'm just gonna Did you see that? That looks so cool. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit more just for a better effect. And then we're gonna pour some in this bitch. Oh, so satisfying. So satisfying. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Perfect. I'm not even like that worried that I won't have enough just because I bought two of these. Oh, do I need to? I mean, hopefully she's mixed in there. Okay, we're gonna test it out on here. I don't have, yeah, it looks nice. But usually what you would have to do is use like a paper towel to test it on to see if you like the color. But I mean, I don't, as long as it's purple. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. So I have, like I said, I have 11 t-shirts here. Do you think I can do this? I think I can. Hopefully I can. Let me move you guys on an angle so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so okay. So I think I'm gonna do 5 at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna put them on top of the chair. Just to do that. And it says it's recommended to be damped. So I'm gonna go soak these in the sink over there real quick. So just 1 second. Okay, I got wet a little bit, but I just soaked them in water so they're damp because apparently it's recommended. And also I'm really sorry, I'm like 6 foot, so if you just see like this part of my body, I'm gonna try to sit though, but if you do, I apologize. Okay, we have the shirts. So I think the style that I kind of want to go with, I'm going to insert a picture right here. That's kind of like the style I want to go with. So I guess I'm just going to do that. And I'm pretty sure you just scrunch. I wish you guys could see what I'm doing, but I think you just scrunch it up. Just scrunch it. Again, I don't have any elastics, so we're just going to, you know, like you just have to scrunch, scrunch, scrunchy, scrunchy, look at scrunchy. Okay, so, but I'm gonna do this with all the shirts. Okay, so I just finished scrunching them up. And now I'm gonna put them all on this thing. If they unravel, I don't really care because I'll just riddle up. But yep. I think I can only fit 2 on here. I mean, I don't really care about this towel. Like, does it really matter? I'm gonna try to see what it looks like on here. I'm kind of the type of person that doesn't like to listen to instructions, and then after I start to complain when things don't turn out well, so so okay. All right, so we're just gonna do it, I guess. Let's go. Oh, bitch. She hot. Holy. Okay. Let's go. Oh. Waste the water. Okay. So this one, like, and I'm just saying, I think I'm gonna be able to finish all of this, but you guys will know near the end of the video if I did. But so this is like the first thing, so let's just continue. Whoa, this is hard. Okay guys, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let these ones kind of like sit and marinate, and I'm gonna get started on the next batch to do like the front, and then after I'll flip them over. Okay. let's just continue. So I'm gonna finish, and we're gonna do the back side now. So they look so far. I kind of want to just, I'm just gonna open just one. I just want to see it. This thing. Okay, let's reveal it. Oh my god! Oh my god! It looks so cute. I love it. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna repeat.
La girl, can't you just hold it in or something?
Excuse me. So I'm just gonna repeat this whole step with the next two shirts. And yeah. Now I'm just pretty much done all of the shirts. Right now I'm just hanging them up and putting them on hangers. This is what they look like. I kind of want to air dry it, but I don't know. Also, I just want to let you guys know I didn't put them in the microwave just because I don't know. Like, I tie-dyed before, and like, I never had to put it in the freaking thing, so I'm like, why do I have to now?
Again, me not listening to the rules.
Hopefully, they'll be fine, but yeah. Thank you guys all so much for watching today's video. If you guys were wondering, this is what my hands look like right now. I don't really... But anyways, thank you guys all so much for watching and tuning into my channel. So yeah, bye guys for now.